Saturday, and I'll be spending the weekend in San Francisco. I'll be making videos and showing you guys what I did in San Francisco. So guys, stay tuned guys. San Francisco is known to be the second most expensive city in the US. It is known for its cool summer, fog and steep rolling hills, and I was glad to experience this and more during my visit. From its iconic site to its rich and diverse culture, what is not to love about San Francisco? The first thing we did after picking up the rental car was to drive through the beautiful downtown area of San Francisco. Look for a good restaurant where we had my birthday dinner. The restaurant was an outdoor dining and the name was called Parker House Row. Happy birthday to me. It's day 2. The weather is 78 degrees cloudy. We're on our way to the fall-side attraction place, which is called the Golden Gate Bridge. So we checked out the outdoor exhibition, which has full details about the history of the Golden Gate Bridge. Guys, as you can see, yes, the Golden Gate, it's literally down there. The Golden Gate Bridge is an iconic structure connecting the city of San Francisco to Marin County in California. It spans almost 2 miles, 1.7 miles long and 90 feet wide. It's 4,200 foot main span between the two towers. Construction began on January 5, 1933, and on May 27, 1937, the bridge was opened. Today, the Golden Gate Bridge remains one of the world's most recognized architectural structures and believed to be the most photographed bridge in the world. The second location is approximately 30-minute drive from the Golden Gate Bridge, which is called Twin Peaks. Twin Peaks is a remote residential neighborhood with modern homes densely packed on steep lots along windy street. From this location, you can enjoy to see the beautiful stunning 360-degree view of the city, of the bay, of the ocean beyond, the Golden Gate Bridge, the Mission District, downtown skyscrapers, which will leave you breathless. The last stop for day 2 was Fisherman's wharf of San Francisco, where you can join the ferry ride to see the beautiful city from Pier 39 to Angel Island. After exploring some few side attraction places, the next thing we wanted to do was to join the cable cars, but due to COVID-19, the cable cars were out of service. Usually the cable car is a great way to explore the city in historic fashion. And this is day 2 of my adventure and traveling here in San Francisco. We came in yesterday a bit late, and today we've been able to explore and check out some beautiful side attraction places like the Golden Gate Bridge, the Pier 39, San Francisco Bay Bridge. Tomorrow we'll be doing a lot as well, so just giving you guys update on what we actually did in day 2, and how I'll be showing you guys the beautiful city of San Francisco. So guys, stay tuned and make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let's go. It's day 3. Let's go.
In half a mile, bear left onto Columbus Avenue.
It's day 3. Our first side attraction stop will be Coit.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Coit Tour is a 210-foot tour in the Telegraph Hill neighborhood of San Francisco, California, offering 360 views over the city and the bay.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
After the 360-degree view from the tour of the city and the bay, the next thing we did was to rent a go-kart tour and drove around the beautiful city of San Francisco for just $65 per hour.
You're going to go 1 hour. That's the tour. Come back out. Come back out. We're gonna make a left.
Take a left here and follow the cable car tracks up the hill. Be very careful. Take your next right and go down the hill.
Day 3 has been awesome. In fact, I'm extremely tired right now. I'm heading straight upstairs to go get some rest right now. Tomorrow is day 4, which I will be returning back to Indianapolis. Today is day 4, which we will be returning back to our base. Pretty much San Francisco is a very lovely city. It's a city where you can come spend your vacation with friends, with family. I recommend this beautiful city to anyone watching this video right now. San Francisco here in California, it's the best. So guys, it's a wrap here in San Francisco. 3 days well spent. We did a lot. It's amazing here in San Francisco. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and please, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the like button there. Yeah, it's pretty much amazing here, and I don't feel like going home, but you know, home is home. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and from San Francisco, I say goodbye. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video. One ticket to adventure.